Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another AGIX price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We also have a chart pattern here on the 1 hour chart that is possibly giving us a breakout to the upper side. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted here on the charts using this white target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.59 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and also seen a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you my short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you my target areas in the formation of this wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.8617 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting AGIX to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And for that move to also play out and for us to continue gearing up, continue unlocking higher prices in the formation of that wave 3, there are key moves that I'm keeping my eyes on here on the AGIX chart. And the first one is a breakout out of this chart pattern that you have right here, which could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side. And at the time of this recording, you can see that we have managed to break above this horizontal resistance area, and there are high chances that at some point we might see a bit of a retest. And in case the retest of that horizontal area of resistance is in and a success, then AGIX will possibly continue gearing up, and my first target will be at around the $0.45 mark, which is now acting as resistance. And the moment we manage to break above that, we can also expect to see a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue gearing up to get to the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here in white, which lies at around the $0.59 mark. And the moment we manage to break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here, then that will be enough confirmation that we are back in the formation of this wave 3, and there will be high chances of continuing to gear up to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the AGIX chart on the short-term scenarios, and also giving you the long-term scenarios, which is being given by these Elliot wave structures right here in yellow, where you can see that we peaked in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 after seeing a 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 1 giving us a high at around the $0.67 mark. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that bottomed out within this blue target area. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3. And basing my analysis on this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3, that's how I was able to come up with the short-term scenarios. having my minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3 at around the $0.86365 mark, and that was after peaking in that first wave and seeing a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. So that is what I'm expecting here on the AGX chart on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, here on the RSI we are trading at around the 73 mark, meaning we are just about to get into the overbought region here on the 1 hour RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.